I felt like I was too ready to commit to characters I didn't find interesting. And what was perfect about this intensive is that it teaches you to find the most interesting thing about those characters right on the spot. After the intensive, I was a lot more confident in the choices I took creatively with the characters I pursued. So I didn't rely so much on what was already on paper. I took what was on paper and added my own flair to it. I was no longer looking for outside sources of affirmation. Because of this intensive, I've been getting a lot more auditions, I've been getting a lot more callbacks, a lot more positive attention, the kind of stuff that makes you memorable in the room compared to everybody else. Sometimes you're put in front of somebody who's just looking for something, and sometimes you put that thing in front of them, they're like, yep, that's the one. But you didn't even know, because before this intensive, I would have had the confidence to do something like that, like pursue the idea that might be exactly what they're looking for at that moment. After taking this class, honestly, like I would recommend it to everybody or anyone in any creative position that wants that extra bit to push them over the edge in whatever they create.